Hello again, my dear crafters. Today we are going to have a flip through of my Ultra Red book. It's the final video. And as you see, it have a really crocodile. I love it. So here is I kept it black here. And a light autumn. So, and here we have, let's see, so I am in the frame. A tag we have over here. And a pocket, wathing mazes, beautiful kit, some collaging, some more tags over here, and you see we have over here. Yep. Next we have, I think it's for free at my coffee, some collaging. So, and here we have autumn color birds cards. Just so we have a lot of color. I love it. So next page is free as well at my coffee. And here some stamping and a lot of pockets. A big one. And I think it's our wathing mazes as well. She have a collage. Please, please, please. Don't mess with me now. Really good way to have a lot of place to write on. So. And next is a belly band, collaging and some decoupage. And here is a folded page. You can have a lot of things over here, you see. This one over here. And we put this one and the card over here. So. And here we have again the flower, wathing mazes decoupage. Beautiful. And here I am using some small pages in a dictionary to make some pockets. And some decoupage. Layer it above each other. So. And next we have again a lot of pockets. As you see, small pockets here. And a tag. 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 So you see. And there. So it looks like when there are no tag in. Here a tag. I think we have this one over here. It's just playing around with tags. I love it. Tags and pockets. And this one, where do we have this one? Did we have it there? Yes, maybe we had, yeah. And this one, we have it here. And here we have some bunnies. Writing space. The writing space. Then we see, here are pure collaging. I love that too, when you have 3 pockets and you put 3 tags. You can have it in so many different ways. Here I have chosen to not have any binding here. So folded page. I think the page are not, or the color is not quite good together, but I am here to show you what you can do. This page as well are for free at my coffee. Writing space. And some folding with tags over here. There are 2 free at my coffee. And here we are opening. Ta-da! Yep. You can always put here so you can have some writing space. Next, this is my favorite. You know, all the email. The big pockets and a big window. This is from my autumn kit. So, just to show you. I love it. And next page is from a children book that I love really, really much. 2 pockets. You see, is painted a little ghost. Some bears. Reindeer. Trees. So, yeah. Here we have a folded. Those have we seen a lot of, I think. They are easy to do. Have you done them once, you never forget it. So, there, there, and a little there. The same here. A lot of folding, lot of pockets. Here are some tags with pockets, and you can have some here as well. You see, we put this one over there. You see, we have tags with pockets. So And then the next is envelope. I don't think we take it out. We have to. We use the pages in our book page or in our book. So I made 3. So I put them upside down because I want the green should be shown. There we go. We take it later on. So next page is folding again. From decoupage, you fold it, have a big one. You put it in. Now I have glued it down, but you can have it loose, this one. You see. And here we have from my autumn kit. Here we have a tuck spot with music paper and some other papers and mushrooms and small envelopes. I love them. Look, with some tags. So here, this one is a 12 by 12 page or cardstock. So you have a little booklet, you have a little, we see, ta-da, yeah. So a lot of things to have you get out for 12 by 12, you see. And this folding is so funny. So some other cardstock I have used just to which one should I have? The cardstock are, you have two-sided. That's the thing you have to have. So, yep. Then we have our small bunny. 3 tags together. Yep. Next is some decoupage and a 4 pocket here. You can have writing space over there. So it's a little bold to do. And the next, this one is cute as well. This is the main thing over here. And then you have some pockets. I do not remember. Yes, I did some pockets over there. a little. You place them wherever you want. You put this one over here, and the big one, and then we have, no. So, and here we have 2 pockets, I think, about 3. It's a little different. You fold it over here, so you have a little pocket over there. I thought it was a funny way to make it. So, and this one, I think some of my cards are free as well. Here we have a 4 flap to envelope, 4 envelope here. So, a little Christmas thing. And that was we made today. With the overhang, pocket, the plastic bag. You can always use a vellum. I can show you. I have one over here. And you can have a tag as well. Yep. You can do them a lot of different ways. And our last page over here. It has been a long, long way to go. So I thank you so much for all watching time, nice comments and so on with my Alter Red book. So thank you again. See you soon in new ways. Bye.